Welcome back to North Carolina. Now, I said that part of what I would be doing down here would benefit the S10. So I'm going to show you why I was kind of hinting at here. So here's an S10. Now this is a parts truck that I bought, well, for $300. So it's not a terrible truck, but you know, it's tired. It's had a hard life down here. But the box is really decent on it. Like, it needs a patch put in on the other side on the bottom, but you can see it's got some rust here. And basically it needs this section here replaced. And it needs a little patch put there. But other than that, it's straight. It's not rotten underneath. The wheel arches aren't rotten. You know, everything on mine that's rotten is not rotten on this one. And the inside of the box is in much, much better shape. Like, mine is just destroyed inside, and this one isn't. So, I paid $300 for the whole truck. As you can see, there's lots and lots of spare parts and bits and pieces and whatnot in here as well. So we're gonna basically strip this truck today here, and we're gonna bring back the pieces of it we need and scrap the rest. Okay, after a couple hours here, okay, a couple more hours and here's where we're at. So I'm actually going to cut the bottom of that floor out and bring it back home, because I'm sure there's somebody somewhere that really wishes they had a floor that nice. There's a T5 we're going to bring home. That 2.8 is going to stay here in North Carolina. This frame might come home with us. So that's what remains of the S10. So we've got a frame and a pretty good box. It's pretty clean. Needs a little bit of work there and a little bit here. It looks like it had some type of plastic cladding on it. That's okay, because laying in here we've got these patches I cut out of another one. So overall, should be pretty good. Okay, so we got all kinds of S10 stuff sitting here now. So obviously I had that truck in North Carolina I dismantled, so there's two Southern S10 fenders and rad support. We'll sell that stuff off, and the money will go towards, well, our truck. Same thing, we got a nice 342 geared rear end, a nice T5 transmission, nice chrome bumper for the back of one of these trucks. What else? Another painted front bumper, another filler panel. You know, we'll sell off some of those bits and pieces. I got bits and pieces of the interior that were good, and that money can go towards our truck. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go through and we'll repair this box. So obviously the bottoms of it here are a little bit rotten. Other than that, the rest of it's dents and dings. And while we were down there, I took and I cut some patches out of another truck. So I have the pieces we need to fix this box. Now I'll sell off the other box, and that money will go towards this truck too.